Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa, and in this video I would like to show you why you do not want to pour glue and cornstarch down your drain. Now, once you make your clay, you mix it, you put it in a container. I use flexible containers, and I mix my glue and my cornstarch in these containers because afterwards I let the glue and the cornstarch dry in my containers, and it's really easy to clean up. If you pour glue and cornstarch mixture down the drain, this is what is going to happen. It's going to clog your drain. It becomes like concrete. It's just as hard as a rock, and it will become like concrete in your drain. So if you're going to clean up, your glue and your cornstarch mixture, fill it with warm water, put it outside, let it drain, let it, the cornstarch sink to the bottom, and then dump it out. Do not dump it down your drain. If you dump it down your drain, you're going to have a pipe problem. So again, it will turn like concrete. So don't let that happen to your drain. Protect yourself. Hope that helps, and please like and subscribe my video. Give me a thumbs up because I like to be liked. Thank you.